Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best shutter repair kit is probably one of the most valuable tools for photographers and videographers who want to maintain, fix, or enhance their camera shutter systems, ensuring smooth operation and extending the lifespan of their beloved cameras. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the right kit based on your specific needs and camera model, covering everything from essential tools to advanced techniques. Number 5. Jetec 85-piece Shutter Repair Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to repair your plantation shutters. It's perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. You'll receive 15 spring pins, 15 repair pins, 15 collar pins, and 40 louver staples in 2 sizes. That's plenty to tackle even the most extensive repairs. Each component is precisely sized for easy installation. The dimensions are clearly listed, so you can be sure they'll fit your shutters perfectly. These tools make repairing your shutters a breeze. Simply replace broken or missing parts and restore your shutters to their former glory. They're made from high-quality plastic and zinc-plated iron, ensuring they're durable and rust-resistant. You can count on them for years to come. The classic white color complements most shutter colors and textures. It's a versatile solution for a wide range of shutter styles. What we like. This kit is a comprehensive solution with various types of pins and staples. If you need a large quantity of different repair parts for various needs, this is the best choice for you. It's perfect for those tackling multiple shutter repairs or sharing with friends and family. What people say. One of our plantation shutters had a part installed incorrectly when it was new, and the company that did the installation was supposed to come back out with a new part but never did. I forgot about it until that part of the shutter failed 5 years later. I started searching for the correct parts and found this kit. It worked like a charm and I was able to repair my shutter within minutes. I bought a house full of plantation shutters that I love. Unfortunately, a few of the shutters either had issues with staying in place when open or had a few slats that were broken from the main rod. After watching a short video on how to do it myself, I ordered this kit off of Amazon and was able to repair my shutter slats myself with ease. My plantation shutters had a slat that the pin was broken. There was no possible way for me to put in the exact same type of pins without destroying the shutter. This little package and pin replacements worked perfect. I love the fact that one side of the pins was able to push down to allow the shutter to slide into place with easy effort. Number 4. Jetec Shutter Repair Kit. Tired of broken shutters? This kit provides everything you need for easy repairs. It's perfect for DIY enthusiasts and homeowners alike. You'll receive 40 durable staples, enough for multiple repairs. There are plenty to share with friends and family too. Each staple measures 1.5 by 0.5 centimeters. Double-check your measurements before ordering to ensure they're the right size for your windows. These zinc-plated iron staples are rust-resistant and incredibly strong. They're designed for long-lasting use and won't break easily. Replacing broken staples is now a breeze. These are simple to use, making repairs quick and convenient. The classic silver color complements most shutter styles and colors, ensuring a seamless and stylish repair. What we like. If your shutters need new staples and you prefer a metallic look, this kit is for you. Its durable metal construction ensures long-lasting performance. It's ideal for those seeking a robust and stylish repair solution. What people say. Worked perfectly for wood blinds. These are the best replacements for the broken shutters. Worked to repair lost broken wooden plantation pins. Number 3. Maitys Shutter Repair Pins. Tired of broken shutter pins? These replacement pins are here to help. They're easy to install and built to last. With 40 pins in each pack, you'll have plenty to repair your shutters and even share with friends. No more searching for replacements. Each pin measures 0.8 by 0.2 by 0.1 inches. Make sure your hole is about 1/4 inch in diameter for easy installation. These spring-loaded pins are designed for simple DIY repairs. They're perfect for replacing broken or missing pins in a snap. Made from high-quality plastic, they are rust-resistant and built to withstand daily use. Enjoy long-lasting performance. The classic white color complements any shutter style and blends seamlessly with your existing decor. They're the perfect solution for your shutter repair needs. What we like. These spring-loaded pins offer effortless installation. If you value ease of use and a quick fix, this kit is perfect for you. It's great for DIY enthusiasts who want a simple and effective repair. What people say. Makes shutter repairs super fast and easy to use. These fit perfectly and pushed in snug as they should. Smooth operation once installed. They replaced some pins that we broke. An original pin is also pictured for comparison. These worked great to repair all the broken slats on my plantation shutters. I used these on wood shutters. Had to pick out the plastic factory pins that crumbled to pieces from the heat. From there you'll need to drill the existing holes to a slightly larger size to fit these replacement pins. Wasn't difficult once I did a few. Then you just put these in one side and they pop into place. I have had to fix about 20 of these so far. Number 2. Patelai Shutter Repair Pins. These versatile pins are perfect for fixing broken or missing shutter pins. They're easy to use and come in a pack of 20, ensuring you have plenty for all your repair needs. With 20 pieces included, you'll have enough to repair your shutters and even share with friends and family. No more searching for replacements. Each pin measures approximately 1 by 0.25 inches, a common size for most shutter louvers. Double-check your measurements before ordering to ensure a perfect fit. Made from high-quality plastic, they are rust-resistant and built to last. Enjoy long-term use without worrying about replacements. These pins are designed for easy DIY use. Simply replace your broken or missing pins in minutes. No special tools or expertise required. The classic white color complements most shutter colors and textures. They're a simple yet effective solution for your shutter repair needs. What we like. This kit provides a basic yet effective solution at an affordable price. If you need a small number of replacement pins and prefer a simple, no-frills approach, this is a great option for you. It's perfect for small repairs and budget-conscious consumers. What people say. Easy and sturdy install. Had broken pins in my shutters. Used these to fix. Perfect mend. The spring in the pin helped to connect the shutter back in place and has worked like a charm. Number 1. Jetec Shutter Repair Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to fix your shutters. It includes pins, magnets, and screws for a complete repair. You'll receive 85 spring-loaded pins, 8 strong magnets, and 32 screws, a total of 125 pieces. That's plenty to handle most repair jobs. The pins are approximately 0.3 inches long, the magnets are 1.9 by 0.8 by 0.5 inches, and the screws are about 0.39 inches. Double-check these measurements before ordering. It's made from high-quality materials like plastic, stainless steel, iron, and zinc, ensuring they're resistant to rust and breakage for long-lasting use. These replacement pins are designed for easy installation. Their small size makes them simple to use, ensuring your doors close smoothly and quietly. Use it on shutters, cabinets, furniture, closets, anywhere you need a reliable repair. They are also great for DIY projects. What we like. This ultimate kit includes pins, magnets, and screws, providing everything you need for a complete shutter repair. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution with extra components, this is the kit for you. It's perfect for extensive repairs or those who want a one-stop shop for all their shutter needs. What people say. I struggled to find pins that would work to repair my shutters. I was able to make them work. Our 20-year-old plantation shutters had a few missing staples and magnets. This assortment has everything we needed to make the repairs. I like the many different options to fix shutters and how easy they are to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.